Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button for any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any, and I just keep it as simple, short, and as friendly as possible. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with a USDT or Tether token. Basically 1 inch today is sitting at price of right around 3.15 US dollars. Today we are up 30 cents or approximately 9.3% upside move for today, and this is going as predicted. If you go to the lower time frames, you can see how well is this predicted. Like, bro, like, don't tell me that I did not predict this so like beautifully. This was predicted on May 28th of May. Yeah, my prediction was that we could have pushed to the upside somewhere right here to these lows, then push to the downside, bounce off of this, and then push to the upside. And as you can see, it is moving in my favor, and I'm pretty happy about it. Okay, I'm happy with how my prediction turned out. But for the long term, obviously, I think that we will bounce back again to the downside, consolidate into this area, maybe break through this, stop all of these lows, then push to the upside. Like we will see what will be happening. Time will tell everything, and this is basically it for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out. And first of all, if you want to, the last thing that I want to say, like, everything that I want from you guys, like, if you want to support me, make sure just to smash the like button. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.